Siyempre, tinanong muna namin if may age limit. 30 sa Enkel. Dito naman, it's called Monks. Max ay born 1993. Bakit may ganong age limit? So, naging filming spot ito ng Squid Game Season 2. O, diba? Familiar na? Squid Game, yung area na to. Time check, 3:02.
All the places I went to and I showed my ID, either they let me in or...
Kumusta naman ang first port experience sa Hongdae?
I love Hongdae so much.
Grabe oh, ang daming pauwi pa lang. Mga 5:30 na. We're not getting any younger, so as much as I can, habang may energy pa ako, I maximize things like this. It's so fun to be alive. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Annyeong haseyo. This is Dave the Kuripo Traveler. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Seoul, South Korea. It's Friday night, rainy Friday night. Pero experience natin yung nightlife dito sa Hongdae. Alright? So Hongdae, it's my favorite area in Seoul. It's the area that never sleeps. Kahit midnight, madaling araw, marami pa ring tao at marami pa ring bukas na mga restaurants, clubs, hanggang madaling araw. May mga shops na parang 24/7. Hindi ko sure kung 24/7, pero hanggang madaling araw bukas. So, kaya gusto ko rin na nag-stay dito sa Hongdae area. It's alive, vibrant, very youthful. If you will travel in the Philippines, Korea, or anywhere else in the world, you can book your travel items, tours, hotels on Klook and use my promo code DaveGinukluk for discount. You can also book your hotels on Agoda and use my promo code DaveAgoda, capital letters yan na, for 10% off on hotels. For activities naman on Agoda, you can use my promo code KuripoTAgoda for 5% off on activities. For Agoda codes, make sure to redeem on mobile app. Makikita nyo sa baba yung deals na tab. Iko-comment ko yung links na mga pwede ninyong mabook sa comment section. Favorite area for nightlife, Hongdae. Tagal naman lang spotlight, stoplight. Ano na? Nasaan na yung mga kaibigan natin? Let's look for my friends. Kumusta naman kayo dyan? Oh. Ito yung mga kasulok-sulukan ng Hongdae. Tara. Ay, ito. Ayaw nyo yan. Pero ito yung sinasabi kong Thursday party. Kung bet nyo lang. Pero kung hindi, pwede tayong maghanap ng iba. Our first stop guys, NB2 na filming location ng Squid Game. Let's go! So every time papasok tayo, kailangan ng passport, alright? Chine-check yung ID, passport. So make sure kapag mag-bar hopping kayo, club hopping, may passport kayo. Laban na, laban na. Ito guys, yung mga kasama sa drinks, okay? Yung recommended nila dito ay Jack Coke. So yung 10,000 won natin, meron tayong drinks dito. Magkano bang 10,000 won? So yung entrance natin dito ay 417.30 pesos. So naging filming spot ito ng Squid Game Season 2. Yung inahanap niya si Gong Yoo, tama? Itaewon Hongdae! Okay! Hongdae talaga. The vibe. Hongdae! It's giving. Familiar na? Squid Game, yung area na to. Dito siya naghanap-hanap. Si Lee Jong-jae. May second floor pala talaga, oh. So, ginawang photoshoot yung locker. Let's go, let's go. Next bar. Nagbigyan tayo ni Lord. Ang saya. Mag-alauna na guys. Dito pa rin tayo. Di na umuulan. Thank you Lord. Makakapila tayo ng maayos. Kumusta ang iyong first ever Hongdae experience? Saya?
Medyo kulang pa kasi naghanap ka ng wild party.
Ikaw, Christian.
Masaya, madami po.
Okay lang yun? Okay lang yun. Ikaw, kumusta?
Free game pa lang yun.
Free game pa lang. Sige. Alam nyo ba guys, yung first ever Hongdae party ko, 3 years ago, umuwi kami alas 6 ng madaling araw, ng umaga, and then flight namin the same day. Hi! Explore lang tayo dito kasi ang daming bars dito. Wala na, dulo na tayo. Ang daming bars to choose from, ang hirap. Depende na lang talaga. Ay, ano, gusto dito? Free entry. Yes, sir. Sige, let's try it. Alright, let's go. Dahil free entrance na. May mga free entrance dito, meron namang mga may bayad. This is Hongdae. Ang kulay. Youthful. Ayun, kung mag-party talaga kayo, Hongdae Ski. I think may 3 areas talaga. Hongdae, 81, Gangnam. Yung Gangnam, mas pang mayaman na crowd. Yung Hongdae, nandito talagang energy ng mga tao. Every time I bring my friends in 81 versus Hongdae, tinatanong ko din sila kung anong mas bet nila. Hongdae talaga. This is my favorite. Dito kami nabutan ng 6 a.m. 2022! Oh my God! Ganda ng song na to! Basta Koreans, basta pinatugtog yung Big Bang, nagwawala talaga yung mga tao. As in, nawawasak yung buong club. Lalo na pag bang bang bang. Bang bang bang. Ano?
Pag yung bang bang bang
Oo,
pinatugtog.
magwawala talaga yung mga tao. Yun yun. Sinkhole experience.
Oh, ang ganda. I love
Ganda.
the music.
The music is giving.
Magaling yung DJ actually.
Magaling yung DJ. Masaya. Sinkhole or NB2?
Sinkhole.
Pare-pareho, in sync talaga kayong tatlo. Sinkhole. What a time to be open-minded talaga dito sa Hongdae ngayon. Like,
Kaya pala kayo.
kaliwat kanan. Ay, kaliwat kanan talaga. Kilala niyo si Sean Solo, guys? Yung Hongdae guy. What if magpakita siya ngayon? Di ba yung mga Hongdae guy, may stereotype sila. May stereotype na lalapitan yung foreigners for one night stand. Kaya doon sumikat yung Are You Open-Minded ni Sean Solo. Sean, can I ask you something?
Yes.
Are you open-minded?
Only for you, okay?
감사합니다. Bye-bye. Wild.
Buti nakita mo siya.
Alas 2 na, pero alas 2 na, di naubos yung tao, nakakaloka. Di maubos hanggang alas 6 to. Yung pila pa doon. I think one of the best nightlives talaga. One of the best nightlife na na-experience ko ay dito talaga sa Korea. Parang hindi kumpleto yung trip kung hindi tayo nakapag-nightlife. May experience ako na mag-isa lang ako, nag-bar hopping, club hopping. And it was an experience. May pulis, oh. Medyo nagka-commotion daw doon kanina. Tapos nagulat tong makasama ko kasi ang bilis daw. Dapat pala guys, ready lang kayo dito kasi mag-aamoy yosi talaga kayo. Tapos usually, may pila kasi inantay nila na mabawasan yung tao sa loob. Grabe nung 2022, nandito tayo tapos siksikan sa loob tapos katatapos lang ng COVID nun. Pero thank God, di naman tayo nagkasakit. Pumaparty ba kayo guys sa Philippines? Favorite ko sa Nectar kaso nag-close na. Tapos Studio Dance Club in Makati. Dito sa Hongdae, I love it because I always feel alive. Tingnan nyo guys yung mga payong, bawal kasi sa loob. Ang daming payong dito. Yung maliit na lang na payong dali ninyo, okay? Kasi yung akin di naman sinisita. Maliit, nasa bag lang. Pipila na sana kami sa International Club or Inkle. Siyempre, tinanong muna namin if may age limit. So, the age limit is 30 sa Inkle. So, nandyan tayo, 26 tayo sa Inkle. Nakapasok pa tayo. Yun, may certain age limit. I'm not sure kung bakit may ganong culture. So, you can comment down below. It happens dito sa Hongdae, okay? Na may tendency na yung bar or club di magpapasok because of age. So may age limit minsan. Kung pipila kayo, make sure na tanong nyo muna kung may age limit. I think sa Itaewon wala masyado eh. Kasi medyo mature yung tao doon. Yung ituloy ang laban. Sulong, pag-asa ng bayan. Tsareng. Let's go. Ay, grabe. Kanina sa International Club, 30 yung age limit. Dito naman, it's called Monks. Yung max ay 1993, born 1993. So dito sa Hongdae, while you're young, 40 as much as you can. Okay, pila tayo dito. Pasok pa yung edad natin. 1996 ako eh. Ano nang masasabi mo sa Hongdae?
Maganda pa rin.
Maganda pa rin.
Rules are rules.
Sabagay, rules are rules. Sinerch ko na kung bakit may age limit yung ibang mga clubs. It's because, number one, first of all, they cater to younger club goers. So para ma-maintain yung vibe, youthful vibe ng clubs, they have to restrict the age to certain ages. For example, usually bawal na yung 30 to 35. And bakit may ganong age limit? Hello? That was random. But anyway, ayun. So kung gusto yun ng clubs na walang age limit, siguro mas Itaewon and mas Gangnam. Ang saya dito. Masarap po. Nasa 300 plus pesos yung isa. Ang saya. This one for the good girls and the good girls and masterpiece. Ito yung pinakamaraming tao na pasukan namin. Time check, 3:02. Oh my God! Low, 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 low. Saya dito. Hype yung mga tao. Galing ng DJ. Daming energy ng mga tao, as in. Sa lahat ng napuntan natin, saan kayo pinaka-nasiyahan?
Woo! Monks!
Monks.
Monks! Monks! The best yung music ng Monks.
Tapos yung mga tao hype na hype, yung mga nakatayo lang sa Ineme. Grabe, 4:30 na.
Balik tayo.
Antok na si Christian.
Si Christian din naatok na eh.
4:32.
Maaga pa!
Kumusta naman ang inyong first? Ay, ang pogi naman nun. Pinsan na yun. Kumusta naman ang first party experience sa Hongdae?
I love Hongdae
I
so
love
much.
Hongdae. First Hongdae experience.
I'll choose Korea over Thailand.
Ikaw, Christian, kumusta ka naman? Kaya pa?
Nag-enjoy ako panoorin sila.
Naantok.
Kasi hyper kayong dalawa, sayaw kung sayaw sa taas. Masaya naman, guys, mag-alas 5 na, tingnan nyo naman. Di naman umuulan, pero tingnan nyo naman. Mag-alas 5 na, ay, grabe to. So, going out, get on hake, kiwala na, energy. Grabe, alas 5 na. Korean nightlife is really
The best.
up there. Feeling ko also the best.
I'll be back
Ganda.
here for sure. Definitely.
Uy, grabe. So, very nice way to end your
To end my South Korea
South Korea trip.
Yeah.
What if extend? What if extend?
I spent so much money.
Ay, oo nga. I'm so happy na siyan kayo sa Hongdae.
Yeah.
So when I say this my best favorite area, it's true.
You love baby girl.
Bye! See you! Ikaw?
Sa Sa subway.
Sa subway. Okay, tara. Kakaloka dito sa Hongdae. Are you open-minded? Funny. Grabe oh. Ang daming pauwi pa lang. May mga nakapila pa rin sa mga bars and clubs. Yeah, we're not getting any younger. So as much as I can, habang may energy pa ako, I maximize things like this. It's so fun to be alive. So fun to be young and alive and partying with friends. So salamat naman sa friends natin. K-Creator friends na nakasama natin sa experience na ito. Sobrang na-enjoy nila. Enjoy na enjoy talaga sila. Favorite na nila yung Hongdae at natuwa naman ako. Excited din ako makita yung reaction nila pag may experience nila yung Hongdae. Kasi ganun din talaga yung first reaction ko when I had my first Hongdae experience partying. The best. Yun nga, nabutan na tayo ng alas 6. Razor?
Yes.
Razor. The music there is the best. Okay. So among the 3 clubs, it was the one that you enjoyed most. Yeah.
Yeah, I think Razor was the
Was the
nicest
best.
music, was EDM music. I really like that
Yeah.
kind of music. So so I went to 3 different clubs last night in Hongdae area, and I think one was the nicest music-wise, Razor, really nice EDM music, so great for dancing, and I love to dance. And then 2 others, Cinco and I forgot the third one, or hip-hop
Hush.
music.
Yeah.
That was Hush. I don't like that they smoke everywhere. It's already smelly, but yeah, sometimes you have to still do it.
Yeah.
I'm 35. Yes.
Like-
No, all the places I went to and I showed my ID, either they let me in or it was wait in line or cover fee and so on. But I didn't get any rejection because of age. I did read online in some comments
Maybe
that
some
some
bars,
places do
some-
filter by age.
Nagparty ulit tayo kagabi sa Hongdae as our last night here in Korea. So I was with my friends, si Diana from Mexico, tapos yung jowa niyang Korean. And then may roommate din tayo na taga Netherlands. Like he's 35, tapos yung jowa ni Diana 33. So may mga bars talaga dito and clubs na okay sa mga foreigner, like foreigner friendly. Kasi ang saya ng nightlife dito sa Hongdae. Like, everyone's just so friendly. Ayun, marami nga tayong nakausap kagabi. Ayun, from Brazil, even Koreans. Brazil and then Koreans. There are still many clubs na you can enter, like, without age restriction. Nevertheless, yes, you can still enjoy Hongdae. Yun lang yung mga gusto kong i-share, yung iba pang mga possibilities. And getting to know new people in the clubs and bars, it's something na na-enjoy ko, na-appreciate ko talaga. So this is Dave, guys, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!